Smart Reads for Kids, designed to inspire and educate, not overstimulate. Don't miss our weekly stories. Please click the subscribe and like buttons below. Shapes and Patterns in Nature by Smart Reads for Kids. What shapes can you find in nature? Circle. Oval. Triangle. Star. Pentagon. Hexagon. Heart. What patterns can you find in nature? Spiral. Waves. Symmetrical, two matching halves. Stripes. Dendrites, branching. What are your favorite shapes and patterns in nature? Don't miss our weekly story uploads. Click the subscribe and like buttons below. Thanks for reading along with Smart Reads for Kids.